Hi, I'm Marna, and I just wanted to give you a heads up on an item I found at Walmart that you might want to buy too. I was looking at the earrings for my dolls, and they had this, which is, what did we say, 50 pairs of earrings that are a good size for your BJDs or your American Girls. I like to pierce my dolls, if I can pull this out without tearing the whole thing. I might have to tear the whole thing just to get it out. That's all right, I'm gonna do that. I like to pierce our dolls' ears so that human earrings fit. Now you can do that with a big needle or a big safety pin, or you can drill it. I prefer them drilled. It's a little cleaner and a little bit better fit. And you can also, well, Darren can, I don't know if I could. You can also push that drill in straighter than I can with a pen. But look at all the colors and options on here for your BJDs, American Girls. Oh gosh, a whole slew of dolls could wear these. Your big Barbies, your Monster Highs, I mean, there's just endless types of dolls that could wear this. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.